Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set offline to online in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now here you can see three dots. You have to press on this. Now go to settings. Now press on privacy. Here you can see the option of last seen and online. Press on this. If you want to set offline to online, you just have to press here everyone. And in the option of who can see when I'm online, you have to select here everyone. That's it. So this is how to set offline to online in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.